In this video, we will explain how to check the LED module in the SP-401S lighting unit. This procedure should be performed whenever the SP-401S does not illuminate after activation or shows signs of weak or unstable light output. Follow the steps carefully to identify the cause of the malfunction and restore full functionality of the lighting unit. Before starting the procedure, prepare the following tools: multi-bit screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, hex bit 4 mm, hex key 2 mm, pliers. Always tighten the screws to the specified torque values. All torque values can be found in the maintenance manual. Locate the emergency switch on the lower part of the lamp housing. Press the emergency switch twice. Observe the LED module at the top of the unit. If the LED module does not illuminate, proceed with diagnostic steps in the next sections. To trigger the status LED sequence, press the emergency switch twice in quick succession. Here is a graphical representation of the status LED. The first two blinks indicates the charging source. The charging source indicator flashes once per second. The first flash is for the solar connection, the second for the charger connection. In the presented example, a solar connection was detected. Then there is a 2-second pause. Next comes the battery status indicator. The battery status indicator flashes 2 times per second. The presented sequence shows the flash pattern at 80% charge. Each green LED flash corresponds to approximately 10% of the battery charge level. For more information about the status LED indicator, please refer to the video SP-401S Device Monitoring via Status LED Indicator. If the battery is in good condition and the lamp still does not illuminate, proceed with checking the LED module. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4 mm hex key to unscrew the 4 M5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the antenna, unscrew it from the antenna socket located on the upper section of the lamp housing. Locate the fuse on the lower part of the lamp housing. To inspect the fuse, turn the holder counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Visually check the glass fuse inside the holder for any signs of damage, such as a broken filament or burn marks. If the fuse is damaged, replace it with a new one. If the transport fuse is damaged, please refer to the video, SP-401S, how to replace the fuse. Reinsert the fuse into the holder and screw it back into the lamp, tightening clockwise until resistance is clearly felt. After securing the fuse, press the emergency switch again to verify if the LED module activates. The transport fuse must be properly tightened for the lighting unit to operate. If the fuse is loose, partially unscrewed, incorrectly seated or damaged, the LED module will not receive power and will not illuminate. If the LED still does not illuminate, continue to the next diagnostic steps. To remove the glass dome, unscrew the 6 screws M5x20 using a screwdriver with an H4 bit. Once the screws are removed, lift off the dome's ring. Then, gently remove the glass dome from the unit. Disconnect the LED module connector from the pins located on the PCB. Unscrew the LED module by turning it counterclockwise. Install the LED module in a lamp that is fully functional and illuminates correctly. The LED modules are available in 2 versions, non-NVG and NVG. The non-NVG version is connected to a single designated pin on the PCB. The NVG version includes an additional cable that must be connected to the marked NVG pin on the PCB. Connect the LED module plug to the appropriate pins on the PCB. Disconnect the LED module connector from the pins located on the PCB. The directional LED module is secured with 2 screws that must be loosened before the module can be removed. When unscrewing the module, care must be taken not to damage the side LED elements, if present. Remove the LED module from the lamp. Install the LED module in a lamp that is fully functional and illuminates correctly. When mounting this type of LED module, ensure that it is positioned within the marked area on the PCB and that the LED direction is aligned correctly. Tighten both screws to properly secure the LED module. The LED modules are available in 2 versions, non-NVG and NVG. The non-NVG version is connected to a single designated pin on the PCB. The NVG version includes an additional cable that must be connected to the marked NVG pin on the PCB. Connect the LED module plug to the appropriate pins on the PCB. Locate the emergency switch on the lower part of the lamp housing. Press the emergency switch twice. If the functional lamp illuminates normally, the LED module is confirmed to be in good condition. This indicates that the original lamp likely has a PCB-related issue. For more information about replacing the PCB, please refer to the video, SP-401S, how to replace the PCB. If the functional lamp does not illuminate with the tested module, the LED module is defective. In this case, the module must be replaced. For more information about replacing the LED module, please refer to the video, SP-401S, how to replace the LED module. Remove the old gasket and install a new one on the housing. Then, remove the second gasket and install a new gasket on top of the glass dome. Replace both gaskets every time the glass dome is opened. Place the glass dome onto the gasket. Align the dome's plastic ring over the housing and through the glass dome. Using a screwdriver with an H4 bit, tighten the screws on the cover. Alternatively, a power drill with a sleeve adapter and an H4 bit can be used to speed up the process. Tighten the screws to the specified torque value. To install the antenna, locate the antenna socket on the upper part of the lamp. Ensure that the gasket is properly installed, and screw the antenna into the antenna socket. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. For more information about checking the LED module, please refer to the SP-401S maintenance manual.